Tapos 'yun, kakauwi lang namin. Yesterday, I can't remember who the name was, but I seen someone with your picture on their profile. Really? Who is that? Oh my god, that's my troll. Like and subscribe everyone. Thank you, Big Lon. Yo, like, share Facebook to you, Bell. Thank you. Thank you, Manu. Do you know what España? Yeah, I know España. 'Di ako maka-get over sa pusa. Mahirap ka maging kaibigan. Pusa nga pinanggigilan mo, paano na lang 'pag tao? Depende kung gaano ka ka-cute, panggigilan talaga kita. That's him right there, Mr. Maximus, he is there. Oh my god, I don't know him. Biglon. Hi, Max. Hi, bro. Can you fix him? Miguel. He is in your chat right now. Wait, let me see. Ah, Mr. Maximus. Uy, kapangalan ni Max. Andito ba si Max? Marbs, kumusta? Yeah, I know. Me too. I don't know. I don't know either. I don't know who is he or is she. I don't know. Using my picture. I don't know why. Yeah. Maybe he's a troll. Yeah, that's creepy. I will check later after my live. Who is he? Bom dia, amor. Jerome. Espanya Avenue. Philippines. Ramon, hello. That's not me. Biglon. That's not me. Hi, June.